once again, and the weather is perfect now. I'm wearing my bikini, no, this shirt. Okay, so arriving to this bridge here. Check it out. I might love a drone shot here, but it's not allowed. So just photos. Yep, photos. You can see here the bridge. Walk through the bridge. That's how it looked. So I'm heading back now. Heading back to the car. One last look. Oh, yeah, it's awesome. Just missed the waterfalls and the rivers back home. But yeah, weather's good now. Weather's great. Forgive me, I'm eating. Hi ho, maglakaw ninyo. You're so short, you can't see you in the frame. Hi ho, hi ho. Which way? Up or down? You try both.
Sounds like water.
You want to go down?
Yeah.
Let's go. Could be a viewing deck or something. We didn't read instructions because there were no instructions, or we just missed the instructions, or we just too excited to come here because we don't have much time.
I heard water, so we're going.
Why are you not in the frame?
There you go.
There you go! You see a bridge!
You see down below, you see the water. It's a good rectangle.
So this is the chasm. See everything from here. You can see. Oh, it's up there. Anyway.
To the car park. To the car park. To the car park.
Coffee break. It's a beautiful day out here in Milford Sound. And yes, it's the 360 degrees of all the mountains. Just stopped by to get this video. Okay. You can see from the top there. And the tunnel's somewhere there because we're entering the mountain. There's a tunnel underneath there. And yeah, I love the mountains. Yep, not allowed to fly a drone here. Oh well. Just videos for now.
Gosh, you're
Okay.
scary.
Yeah. This is the view. Can't post. So there's the view. Love the place. And there's a big wall behind me. You can see them coming in there. That's a tunnel heading into the mountain. Where is it? Tunnel's there. Tunnel's there. Okay. Let me go closer. Yep. There. There's the tunnel. So we go into the mountain. Top of that. In the tunnel, maintenance works in the tunnel.
Make
Yep.
kung 150 shopping ba? Mag-helicopter na lang ko 130 lang.
Drive safely. We are recording now. Oh, audio na po, audio.
Audio.
Rockfall area. So the rocks falling here, and they're putting a rockfall roof
over there. Rockfall roof.
Rocks falling.
Yeah.
Rocks fall.
It's like from the mountains, it's dripping inside the tunnel.
Is Mordor here?
No, Mordor's not here. Mordor's somewhere else. I'm running 40, it says 30. What the fuck are you trying to do, mate? It was a good view earlier this morning, but right now the sun's it's backlit. You can see the snow-capped mountains there, and there's a waterfall. There's a waterfall. That's cool. She always messes up with my video. And yeah, there's a waterfall somewhere there, and there's the ice-capped mountains, and at the back, that is the tunnel that goes over that mountain. Under that mountain, sorry. So yeah, it goes under the mountain, through it. So again, this place is breathtaking. I love it.